Alrighty, YouTubers, we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. If you like this item, all you got to do is click the link, add it to your shopping cart, check it out really fast so they could ship this off fast to you, and continue to shop when you're done and come back. So we're just going to take a look inside this thing right here. It is Tech Bean Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Give it a shot. Here's key features. I don't know if you guys could read it. The white balance is a little off. Ooh. Yeah, it's a fingertip pulse blood oxygen. Whoa. All right. Let's see if I'm all right. Fight for your right. Alright guys, we got this thing up. Nice little travel size. In case you do a lot of work on the road. Once we get back up and running, this might come in handy. Ooh, it's like the doctor's office they have. And it's pretty nifty. So you can check yourself out at home. Always write it down and show your doctor, like, bam, look at what I did. All by myself. How do you turn it on? How do we turn this on? Whoa. That's how it's done. Why you know? Maybe I should read the directions. That's interesting though that it doesn't come on. Turn it on. Alright, I'm gonna pause you guys. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, I fixed it. Look at that. 2 AAA batteries. All I gotta do is this one, where it says down, pop it down, and it'll pop right off. So, gotta put these batteries in right. And we are rocking and rolling now. We had a slight delay. Alright. Cover this back up. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Alright, put your finger in. Whoa. I think that's good. That means I'm chilled. I think. Give it a few seconds. Let it rest. And it's pretty cool. Ooh. It's kind of hard in one hand. You'll do it with one hand. I think I am okay. I think my heart rate is pretty good. Oh. I'll keep it on the side for a second. Hold on. There we go. Really cool. I thought it would beep if it's done. So maybe I should wait a few minutes. I'm probably moving too much. Gotta relax. I can feel my finger thumping, being squeezed. It doesn't even hurt though. Like how it's pinched. It's like a potato chip clip. But definitely don't feel it. Lightweight. Uh-oh. Jumped up there. What's going on? Uh-oh. Breathe. Alright, there it goes. See? I think I'm alright. Not no doctor, but like I said, once you get this done, write them down on a like Monday through Sunday log. Write your stats down. Maybe you could email your doctor. Show them, you know. Or unless your wife's a nurse or you're a nurse, you can tell the difference. But me, I have no idea. But I think that's passable. I don't feel any different, but you never know. See? A little stressed, maybe. I don't know. But definitely check these guys out. Tech Bean. Add it to your wish list. Great for stocking stuffers, you know. A small little birthday gift on the top of another one or something like that. Like the camera. But definitely check them out. It's lightweight, and that is right there. It's a string. You can tie it to your belt, your gym bag. After your workouts, you could hook you up with this. There it is right there. But simple to use. 95, 92. Uh-oh. Yeah, I still gotta research beats per minute. Not sure what the SPO. It's about oxygen level. I think that's pretty good. Beats per minute. It's about 90. That might be a little bit high. I think. I don't know. I'm not no doctor, so hopefully it's a normal. I'll see you guys pretty soon, though. Be safe out there. Stay home, and see you guys soon.